welcome back to my channel. This week we are going to be finishing up the back porch makeover and I'm so excited. We're going to be able to do all of the decorating, all of the finishing touches, and really see it come together and wrap up the makeover that we've been working on for quite a few weeks now. This has been a bigger makeover. We have had to demo the space, we've had to completely rebuild the deck, and we've added a lot of new features to the space as well. So I've been working on it for quite a few weeks, and it's probably one of the makeovers that has taken me a little bit longer, especially because I also have to work with the weather, and it does rain pretty often here in the summertime. It has been a labor of love, but I'm so happy with how it's turning out, and I can't wait to show you guys how we're going to be decorating the space and what it's going to look like when it's all done. If you haven't seen the first two parts of the back porch makeover, I'll link them below for you guys so you can watch the whole makeover process start to finish. It really is a big transformation. That space was pretty much falling apart. It's looking so good now. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of my videos. I put out new videos every Sunday. We are going to get changed and head on out to work on the back deck. Alright guys, so we are in the home stretch of this makeover process. I'm super excited because we're going to get to do a lot of the really pretty things today, the things that make a really big impact on a space. I want to start out with just finishing up some of the fine-tuning foundational pieces of the deck. We are going to be sanding the glue that I used to patch up holes where they started to crack a little bit. We're also going to take our mini staple gun and staple down the screening all the way around the deck so that no bugs can get in, no critters, all that kind of stuff, and it'll be really secure and comfortable to sit in here. I also want to seal up where the pieces of the screening connect because they are panels. So previously we had glued them together, but the glue has come apart over time, and so this time around we're going to try sewing it up. And then I want to put up our solar fans. So I'm really excited. It's looking so good. It's so much more comfortable in here. The cover on the roof has made such a huge difference in the amount of sun that you get, the level of heat under here. It really is helpful. And once we get the screening all sealed up, then there won't be as many bugs as well, so the mosquitoes won't be able to get us, which is going to be really nice because they have been eating me alive working on this project. We're going to get started. We're going to knock out all of these little mini projects that we need to do to finish up the finer details of the deck, and then we can decorate.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. Watch the sky fade into the night, with you my arms, nothing can.
Okay, so now that we have most of the stuff done with the screening and the sanding and all that kind of stuff, I want to go ahead and sew the screening panels shut so that no more bugs can get inside of here. I stapled them down so that they're overlapping and they'll be able to line up nicely, and it's going to make it so that the magnetic closure can still close and work the way it's supposed to. So I'm going to sew them shut this time around. I'd seen people online recommending this as a way to close up screenings. I found marine thread on Amazon. It's waterproof and it has a wax coating on it, and it's thicker than normal thread. I'm going to use this to sew up panels so that they stay shut really nicely. I do think it's going to be a little bit time consuming because you have to kind of sew the entire length of the panel, but I also think it's going to hold up better. That's the way that I'm going to do it, and we'll see how it lasts over time. We're going to get to it and get these panels all sealed up.
We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new, somewhere new.
Alright, so we got everything all all prepared and ready to go. Everything is sewn up, fans are up, it's looking really, really good. So it is now time to start decorating, and I'm super, super excited for this part. We are going to be putting some new furniture into the space. Before, I had some really old black wicker furniture in here. It was left here when we got the house from the previous owners, so it's not really in good shape anymore. It served its purpose for the time that we had it, but it's definitely time for an upgrade. This week we're going to be partnering with a brand called Costway, and they were nice enough to gift me with some patio furniture to put into this space to redecorate with. And something that I'm super excited about, we also are going to be adding a small pizza oven out here. That is super exciting. It's going to make this space really fun, really great for hosting, and really just tie the furniture outside together. Furniture that I picked out that they sent over matches the color of the wood that we have in our outdoor furniture in the courtyard section of the backyard. We're going to be putting a 4-piece acacia wood set out here, and it's really beautiful. I already put it together. It's super easy to put together. I did it completely by myself and didn't have any issues in holding the pieces up and screwing things together, and it really didn't take much time at all. So you can totally do it on your own very quickly, and it's super sturdy. It's really beautiful. The color of the wood is gorgeous. Our patio set that's in the courtyard is teak, and it looks the exact same as the color of the teak wood, but it is acacia wood, so it's really strong and great for outdoors. They have the same set that I got in different styles. I got one that is a love seat, 2 chairs, and a table. They have some variations of that, different looks to the furniture. It also comes with cushions, so there's different color cushions with the different sets. The cushions that I got are white. I think they're going to look really beautiful out here and really brighten up the space. I am going to Scotch guard them even though they're outdoor cushions, just to help them last over time. Something that I really love about this set is the design of it. So you'll see when I bring it out, but the coffee table has like curved handles to it so you can pick it up and move it around. The seats also have a curve to the back, so it makes it really comfortable to sit in, and it fits the shape of your back really nicely, so you're not in like a rigid upright seat. And my favorite thing about this set is that the cushions have zippers, so you can take them off and wash them, which is actually surprisingly not super common with outdoor cushions. I feel like every time I get an outdoor cushion it does not have a zipper, which is very inconvenient because these are the cushions that are going to get the dirtiest being out in the elements. So I think that is a really amazing feature. And Costway gave us a discount code for 10% off everything on their website, and they have a big variety of items ranging from bookcases to outdoor furniture to pizza ovens to AC units. They have a lot of different things, so if you're looking for things to add to your home, to update your space or your furniture or the look of your space, I would definitely check them out. The quality of their stuff is really amazing. I would definitely recommend checking them out and using our discount code so you can get some money off and also some really beautiful pieces for your home. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rug for this space, and then we'll bring the furniture out from Costway to figure out where we want it to go. I know that I'm gonna be putting a little bar seating area over here. That is something that my friend gave me because he's moving, and so he was getting rid of it, but it matches everything perfectly, and I think it would be a really nice space for like having dinner out here, or if I want to do some editing out here or things like that, because it has a little bar seat that you can sit at, and it also would be situated perfectly to where we can see the sunset over here. So we're gonna go ahead and bring the rug out. It's all clean, ready to go, looking good, and then we'll add in the furniture.
Just us two. I'll follow you to somewhere new, somewhere new. Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. It came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while?
Everything set up in the back porch, we're gonna go ahead and set up our pizza oven out there, and we're gonna make a pizza for dinner for the first time using it. I'm gonna be making the dough from scratch. That's usually how I like to do it, unless I need to make it really quickly and then I can buy some store-bought dough. But I have a bread machine, so that's where I make my dough. I'll walk you guys through the process. It's really quick, really easy, and then we can use the new pizza oven and try it out and see how it cooks our pizzas. And I'm gonna be making a double batch of the dough because the pizza oven is a 2-layer one, so it has 2 levels to it. I wanna make a pizza and some garlic knots. We'll do a double batch so that we have enough dough for everything. Really easy. You can make this without a bread maker if you don't have one. It's just a little bit easier and more convenient if you do, because you can toss everything in and leave it. So I'm going to take out my little bowl that's inside, and in the bottom it has the little paddle, and it's only going to be a few ingredients. I'll put the recipe on the screen for you guys if you're interested in trying it out. We're going to be using some flour, sugar, hot water, a little bit of butter, yeast, and a little bit of salt, and that's it. So I'm going to start with the wet ingredients, so that means I'm going to be doing the water and the butter, and we'll start with that. Our little pizza oven. It's so cute. It was really easy to put together. It mostly comes already put together. You just add on like the handles, little chimney, and the doors. Really, really simple. I really love the look of it. I like that it's a matte black. It has a lot of cool features. It is a 2-layer pizza oven, so you can cook 2 different things in it at once if you want. You can use it for pizzas or other things, like you can cook meat in here, chicken, steak, whatever, vegetables, really anything that you would cook in like a grill or an oven can be cooked in here, but it's going to cook a lot faster because it is a wood-fired pizza oven. Down here is where the wood will go, and then you'll put your food up in this one, like that. And it has a rack up here, and then you put your pizza stone on this one. So the only thing is that when you use the pizza stone, you're gonna wanna put the pizza stone in when you start the fire, not after, so that it can heat up with the oven. Otherwise it could crack. And then you also wanna leave it in so it can cool down with the oven. This is our pizza stone right here. It's a really good size, and we'll just place that right in there. And then when you wanna take things out, you use this thing to pull them out. We're gonna use this probably in the courtyard just because I don't wanna put fire over wood, and I'm really excited to try it out. I'm going to go and put all of our toppings onto our pizza and our garlic knots. I'm going to be doing a barbecue tempeh pizza because I am vegetarian, so that's a pizza that I really enjoy. I'm gonna make the garlic knot by rolling them out into strips and then putting on the seasoning and everything and tying them into a little knot. We'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, well that wraps up this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this patio makeover. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2 of the makeover, make sure you go back and check it out. I'll link it in the description box below. We completely gutted this and rebuilt it, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it's really, really beautiful. Just such a comfortable space to hang out in. A big thank you to Costway, our partner for this week's video, for gifting me the beautiful furniture out here and the pizza oven. I absolutely love all of the new additions to the patio. They are so beautiful and comfortable and just such fun decor pieces to have in this space to be able to host and enjoy it to its fullest. If you're looking for any outdoor pieces, pizza ovens, anything like that for your space, make sure to check out Costway and use our discount code for 10% off so that you can get some beautiful pieces for your home too. I would definitely recommend checking them out. If you guys enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can see more of my videos. I put out new videos every Sunday. And don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what you think of the patio makeover. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.